This 5-minute solution will show you how to fix the iPhone no service error. You inserted a SIM card on your iPhone but you see no service error. Just follow these simple solutions to fix this error. The first solution is change your SIM card and replace it with another SIM card. So eject your SIM card and insert a new SIM card and then hope you will get your SIM network. And the second solution is update your iOS version. Go to settings, general, software update. If you see any update available, update your iOS version and then check the issue. And the third solution is reset network settings, general, transfer or reset iPhone, reset network settings. Once done, check the issue. If you are still getting the same problem, then you have to reset all settings. And note one thing, if you do reset all settings, your iPhone data, photos, videos, everything will be deleted. So make sure to take a backup. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.